Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Took us a little bit to get our food scale because I don't have Amazon Prime, but now we finally have it. Time to weigh and calculate everything, get some numbers on paper so we could be a little more exact in our fitness journey and weight loss journey. Let's put together all the stuff I eat for lunch. Here are the random stuff that I eat for lunch. The most shocking has been these dried figs. 2 of them is almost 40 grams, and that's 130 calories. That's pretty crazy. I've also never measured the coconut oil. I thought I was using 1 tablespoon, but that ended up being too much, so I do about half a serving. That's the digital scale I went with. Let's eat, and we will do the same thing for dinner. Meal number 2 is pretty simple. Chicken with mixed vegetables. I try to get a bunch of variety. Everything is microwaved. Same thing with dessert. A lot of fruits. Trying to get a bunch more variety. Let's eat and enter everything in the computer. Okay, most of my weight loss research is based off of this subreddit called Loseit. There's a ton of good information in here, but ultimately there's no fancy diet or magical thing these quote-unquote health gurus are trying to sell us. We need to count calories and eat less food. My TDEE, total daily energy expenditure, is around 2,000 calories. I entered everything I ate in my FitnessPal. I'm kind of weird. I could eat the same thing every day. This changes a little bit. I might eat a little bit more if I am working out, but most days I'm still 400 under, so I should lose half a pound, maybe 1 pound a week. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple. I don't think there's any secrets. I'm going to keep this up. Hopefully we can lose some more weight. Video number 202 done.